Hi everyone, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do just a quick unboxing of one item and quick mini reviews on a couple of things that I've purchased recently. And the first one is the Laura Mercier, the Caviar Eye Kit. And I think I first saw this online at Macy's, and it caught my eye because it was drastically cut down in price. But I didn't get it then. I ordered some other things, but I resisted. And then yesterday I was at Nordstrom Rack and I saw this and I picked it up. Now, to me, it still is a bit pricey. I mean, I think it says it retails. Yeah, it retails for $78. I would never pay that for this. And I got it for $24.97. Still kind of pricey in my book, but I'm gonna see what it's, what it looks like and what's inside. I haven't even opened it yet. So it says it includes a full-size Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara in black, and then a Tightline Cake Eyeliner in black ebony, a flat liner brush, and travel size, you know how I love my travel size, mini Caviar Stick Eye Color in Amethyst and Au Naturel. So let me take a look and see what's in here. Okay, so there's two bags here. Open the first one. Woo. Oh, it's all rolled up. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. Maybe I take back what I said. So here's the mascara. It is definitely full size. Very nice. I have never used their mascara. So if you have and have tried it and liked it, let me know below. But that's really nice. I'm weird. I don't want to open it yet because I feel like once you crack open a mascara, maybe it starts its expiration time, you know. I think it goes bad sooner. I may be making that up, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait to open it up. But here's the two, this is nice. Here's the two little Caviar Eye Stick minis, and let me see what these, oh my goodness. Oh, they've got the label on them. Okay. And I'm sorry, it's so dark and dreary here, but here it is. My hand looks red. This one is the color Amethyst. So if I even hear it, there's a little bit of light here. It's like amethyst to me is like purple, but that looks more taupe. I don't know, that's pretty. And so the other one's all natural, and it's gonna take me too long to open it. But these look nice. I actually like color eye sticks. And you know me and my affinity. Well, if you don't know me, hello. But I have a couple travel videos. I am just a sucker for little things, and I love to, they take up less space, and I like to have an assortment of makeup when I travel. So this is nice, and I find these types of things to be blendable, and this will definitely be something that I use. These colors both seem like they're going to be very functional, because usually when I go somewhere for work, or I'm going for work and I don't want anything too, crazy in the color spectrum on my eyes or anything like that. So this definitely, and it blends. I'll definitely use this. You know how I use them? I actually put it on top of, like, if I put my eyeliner on, I will go right over the top of the eyeliner, and it's kind of like a way to blend the eyeliner and provide a little smudging and a little bit of color all at the same time. So definitely I like that. And then I have this here, which is their black ebony cake eyeliner. So let's open this up. Very nice. Look, it even has a little mirror. How very nice. And then the brush seems really nice too. So far, I'm gonna say I'm very impressed. Whoa. And then let me see if this is just a filler. Yeah, because that's everything. All right, so, I mean, obviously I haven't used these things yet, but I'm happy about the purchase. Would I pay $78 for this? No, but 25 on the high end, but these all seem nice. So I will, I'm looking forward to using them for sure. All right, the other thing that I wanted to share with you was a recent purchase, and I mentioned part of them in a video. The video that I did from my hotel room. I was actually doing a mini declutter and a mini review from my hotel of my makeup, things that I had taken that I liked and didn't like. And I mentioned these things because I added these in last minute because I ordered these from Amazon, or not Amazon, excuse me. I ordered these from Macy's and they came in right before I left, and I just decided based on their size and what was in them to put these in my makeup bag and take out other things that I had packed. And I'm glad that I did. So the ones that I shared on that video were the, this one, which is the, so this is just this three set thing. It came like this, okay? Really nice from Macy's. It's Smashbox. And so there's the Star Bright Cheek Palette, and it has a highlighter, bronzer, and blush. And you can see how like compact these are, so they fit very nicely. And I didn't have anything compact. I had LA Colors that included a blush, bronzer, and highlight. That's what I was gonna take, but I just got this and decided to take this instead. I still haven't peeled these little things off, these sticky things, they're stubborn. But this was really nice. I really like this blush color. I have not yet used the highlighter, as I mentioned in the last video. Just for the work, I wasn't gonna put highlight on my face, and personally, I was trying to use this as a contour, and I found it to be a little on the light end for me. But I kind of blended it all out, and it was okay, and it was nice. And I'm going to take it again, probably. I'm traveling in a couple weeks again, so I'll try it out again. But I feel like I'm going to leave this in my travel bag just because of the size, and there's a mirror, and it's nice, and it's all right there, and I don't have to take anything else. So very, very nice. And then the other eyeshadow palette that I showed in that video that I took that I was very excited about, part of this set, this one is Cover Shot Minimalist Eye Palette, and let's see, what are these called? Yeah, this one's the Minimalist Eye Palette. I have another one here. I took this, so glad I did, because I was like, I had one packed that, you know, I have little sets that have, you know, the neutrals and the browns, which is what I tend to wear most, especially working and things if I was traveling, and I was traveling for work, as I said. But what I really liked about this, there was two types. There's like a warmer shade and then a more neutral, not necessarily cool, but just more neutral browns. But what I liked, it's a combination of mattes and sheers. So, you know, because I have a little set from Tarte that has like a blush and then the eye set, but so much of it's so shimmery, and I don't want too much of that shimmer. So this was such a nice combination of those and not too much shimmer. So I really liked them, and it was very, very useful. And I like to switch things up. I don't want to wear the same thing every day. So this allowed me to kind of mix and match a little bit. So it was very, very nice. Very happy with that. And today I was just reminded there was one more set in this that came with this. So this is fun. This one is called the Cover Shot Nova Eye Palette, okay? And so I didn't pack this because these colors are a little bit more bold to me. I know maybe not bold to you, but so actually today I am wearing these, and this is more of a, it's bad lighting today, I'm sorry, purpley pink. Oh, this is better. And then some blues and blacks. So I'm actually wearing this today, and it's not as like, I think it's very wearable. I mean, so obviously I'm wearing it. That was silly, but I'm really, really pleased with these. And even if you take all of these, you could take all of this and it doesn't take up much space. So really happy with these. I think they're good quality. And I can't remember what I paid on Macy's, to be honest, but it was marked down. So really happy with that. And the last little thing I treated myself to off the Macy's website, because it was marked down, was a MAC lip gloss. It's actually lip glass, it's called. And this shade is, I don't know. It says A59, but other than that, it's a very glittery pink. I have it on. Now I do have lip color on, so I have it on top of that. But if you've watched any of my videos, you probably know how much I like Milani lip gloss. So the fact that I'm wearing this, I like it. And I think it just provides a nice little sheen, and it feels good. So happy with that too. And again, it was something that was on sale, which is why I bought it. So those are my quick reviews for the day. I hope you'd enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.